Hey there, are you having a tough time getting your iPhone email app to refresh and show new emails? Don't worry, you're not alone. This can happen for various reasons like network issues, app settings, or software glitches. But no need to stress, we're here to help you troubleshoot and get your email app back to normal. Let's jump right in and sort this out together. Solution 1. Check network connection. First, swipe down to open the control center. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to your network connection. After that, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Solution 2. Verify mail fetch settings. First, open the Settings app. After that, scroll down again and find the Mail app. Tap on Accounts. Now select the Fetch New Data option. Finally, ensure that Push is enabled for email accounts that support it. For others, make sure Fetch is set to a suitable interval, like every 15 minutes. Solution 3. Force close the Mail app. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle, or double-click the Home button if you have an older iPhone. Next, locate the Mail app. Then swipe up on the Mail app preview to close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Finally, reopen the Mail app. Solution 4. Offload and reinstall the Mail app. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down. Next, tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Mail app and tap on it. Then tap on Offload app and confirm. Finally, after uploading, tap Reinstall app. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and select Reset network settings. Solution 6. Remove and re-add your email account. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down. Next, tap on Mail. After that, tap on Accounts. Now select the email account you want to remove and tap Delete account. Finally, tap on Add account and follow the steps to re-add your email account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with your mail app, not updating or showing new emails on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble or need more assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Happy emailing.